Hello, room service. Hello, room service.
Hello.
What's around, Kieran?
My bed. Flat screen TV, which is probably the nicest TV we've ever had in one of our rooms.
That's true.
Got kettle as well. It's good. Kettle, cups, microwave. Do we have anything inside?
Too complimentary.
Water.
Yes.
And this. It's not bad for price.
Oh yeah, we got microwave, so we can actually bring some
Yeah.
stuff back.
Don't have to do it at 7-Eleven anymore.
Yeah.
Is yours the same as this then?
Yeah, same. Pretty much the same layout.
We have an aircon.
You turn it on, so remote's here. Let me turn it down to minus 18.
No, 20 please. So we got a toilet. We do have a shower. It's up there. So it's alright. Built in, which is pretty good. This one has a mirror. My last one didn't even have a mirror.
My room exactly the same. It's just next door. He's one 2502, my one 2501. I'm over here.
PK being an idiot. Notice we have a mosquito net to keep the mosquito out,
Yeah, and
but the mosquito's inside.
there's smoke coming in.
I mean PK when I say mosquito.
She said the bed is too small because your size.
Wait, I'm not that big. Bum. Hello, Queen. Model the bed?
No.
No model on the bed.
So it's RK Guest House. £20 a night. Still alright for the price. This is the peak season though, isn't it?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, it's peak season. Waterfest. Of course, it's going to be £20 a night. But great view. Don't lock me out. Trust him to lock me out. I got your bag. But it's not too bad. Yeah, check it out. RK Guest House. We put a link in the description. Well, we're gonna get settled in. I might need to use a facility. And yeah, we catch you back in a bit. Just waiting in the hotel room for a little man shift to turn up. June gonna pick him up from the hotel. He just arrived. So, just waiting for him now. Kieran's getting ready as well. He woke up quite late today. Yeah, I woke up at 8, had a shower, set up, then watching TV. And then I text him, nothing. And suddenly like, oh, he texted me about 11:30, said, I'm awake.
We got our water guns.
Kieran's got his water pistol.
Mine, I'll show you later.
Yes.
Mine's a secret.
His one's a secret water pistol where he can turn up to be like Rambo style or Terminator.
More like Hitman.
And he's got a big max on it as well, so he can hold a lot of more water. And he's got his Venom helmet.
Got my mum.
Yes, and it's open.
Venom.
Yep, he liked it. He worn it last night.
Yeah.
I got my waterproofing bag that I bought 2 years ago. I'm gonna take that. It's actually one of those like wet dry bags. So you fold it, you sealed it in, and then nothing can get in.
And something to put my money in.
You put it in my bag.
Yeah, waterproof bag.
One of those seal bags.
Oh no, I don't want to put it in that big bag.
Why?
Just don't trust them.
He doesn't trust that bag, but hey, oh well.
Waterproof bag.
A tobacco bag is a waterproof bag, so that's another win-win for him. Yep, and all the money will smell like tobacco. He did say he's gonna stop smoking here, but it didn't work. How many packs you bought so far? 3 packs. It's so cheap that he can't stop. So we're just waiting for little man to turn up. We're gonna get some breakfast from Fat Boy. Typical English food. I got my weapons as well, my water guns yesterday. Same style of shift, but it's different color. Now, Kieran's got his battery charge for his electric version. Actually cheap, from what website is it?
Shopee.
You can't get it in UK, only in Thailand. Yeah, we're all ready. He's got his shorts on and his black top. I got my swimming trunks, so obviously you're gonna get soaked all day, so you just need something comfortable and quick dry. We check in with you after. Peace out for now.
Hello. There we go. We picked up little man. Finally, we're walking out. We're on Songkran Day. Saw our first little glimpse of people getting wet. I got a little bit of a spray, but we'll see how this goes. But no, we're walking to Fat Boys now. So we're gonna go and have our breakfast. PK, where are we going?
We're going to Fat Boy.
Yeah, because PK's fat.
Not fat. Look at you.
Yeah. This is my girlfriend.
Yes. You wanna insult him all the time about fatness.
She calls me fat. Because I got 7 kilos extra. But yeah, no, Fat Boys is just down the road here. Nanai Road. Have a look. We'll show you when we get there. Should be fun. Follow Shiv in. Shiv's the smallest but biggest out of all of us.
Where's the menu? Your first day in Thailand? For this trip, yeah, for this trip.
Start to Songkran, breakfast time. June's food for the morning. Shiv's liver.
Not my liver, but my first meal of this trip. Not first meal, but first meal with the guys.
ว่าอะไรอ่ะ
อะไรอ่ะเรียกว่าตับไก่
ชิคเก้นเหรอ
Chicken cooked pork or chicken
What you call?
ผัดไทยกุ้งสด
Pad Thai Con Soup.
อันเนี้ยหมู
หมูอ่ะ
more.
How was your meal?
It was nice.
Yeah?
Chicken liver with pork, rice.
Good.
Wasn't spicy though, but it's alright. I can manage. Need to be spicy. If it's not spicy, I'm not eating it.
How was your meal? Food good? Huh? She's shy. We're gonna walk down the road now and get wet. Because Songkran. So we'll see if more people are out. BK's being lazy. We walk on the left side?
He said use cold water from the fridge, put it in a gun and use it.
Cold.
Yeah, it's much more
We need,
fun.
we need ice.
I have seen people putting ice blocks in the cups.
Yeah. They make it very cold.
She said when you spray the girls, they squeal.
Yeah? You want us to make the girls squeal?
Yeah, that's what she said.
Really? Am I getting permission? I got permission. Permission to make the girls squeal. Love that from your girlfriend.
It's the only day that you can actually have permission from like other people to just like wipe the flour on the face and like spray each other and all that. If you do it normally, you're fucking arrested.
I got no sun cream on yet. I need sun cream. Yep. You're full. Full. Good. Good. Im Mac. Good.
Yeah. Right, we're walking back to the hotel. Kieran's up there. We just vlog our journey. We decided not to take the Insta360 out because otherwise we don't want to test that. I know it's waterproof, but well, I just take GoPro because this is cheap anyway. My GoPro is cheap, his GoPro, the battery's knackered. But yeah, we just have Fat Boy. Now we're walking back to the hotel. I'm gonna borrow June's bike, drop him off, wait for him, and then pick him up again, and then head back here with all the supply. And yeah, Kieran's walking here. Say hello, Kieran.
Hello, Kieran.
How do you find Shiv? Are you looking forward to this festival?
I am indeed, yeah.
Well, what do you think? She said they're getting ready for the afternoon, and as you can see, it's scorching hot, and I think my neck's burning, so I need to get some sun cream, put it on, and then I didn't bring my hat, but I'll get my sunglasses out at some point. June just said this is the only time Shiv and Kieran gonna get touched up by loads of women in the face. because I love touching foreigner.
Oh my god.
He's on a mini bike.
My bike.
Yeah, mini motor. A lot of people's already started playing, and we might get soaked on the way back. But we're gonna definitely get soaked on a bike, 100%. So yeah, we shall catch up with you shortly when we get there.
Who's ready for Songkran?
We are going out for a water fest.
You should be able to twist the rest of the bottle.
And keep going, keep going. Yeah, trying to fill up Shift's gun. Not too tight, yeah? Otherwise you break it. But Kieran's is, what do you call it? Agent 47?
Agent 47 today.
Yep, he's the Agent 47 today. Me and Shift got the bazooka. Welcome to 2025 Songkran, boys.
Songkran.
And then Charmin, little one there, got his. He's already used all of it, and some of his water's gonna run out soon.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You might be able to get all of this intro.
It's tight, especially when she said you gained like 7 kilos.
Just get in the fucking there.
ร้อนมาก
Oh, hot.
เหมือนอยู่ในเตาอบ
Not in here, not in here. Electric. What? We're taking a turn, yeah, look after the little one. Just keep an eye on him. Oh, you fuck. Not even here. Look, we're not even outside yet. Look at him, wasting water. He's ready. Yeah, it does. But you just got to, you know, not go trigger happy. Right. Let me see if I can do this. One-handed. Ow. Go Shift. My sun cream's coming off. That's totally not fair. She's got a hose pipe. They've got fucking a whole hose pipe on us.
Did you get soaked?
Oh shit. That's definitely not vocal now.
Oh my god. Our fucking shoes go really slippery, man. Yeah, you need to be careful.
Look cold?
It is. That was freezing cold.
Oh my god. Not even far. Oh, fuck it up. How much you got? Oh, you still got loads.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Alright.
What do you think?
Yeah.
2025 Songkran. We're only like a couple of 100 yards away from the hotel, and he's already got soaked. Right, we're walking down. He's sạt lên nè, sạt lên. Con nè, sạt lên nè. I forgot my specs. Right in the fucking mouth. But that fucking gun is powerful, man. That bazooka thing. It fucking hurt my lips. Fucking hurt my lips. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. That is cold. I can't see. ครับ
มีสงกรานต์เดย์ค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ
มีสงกรานต์เดย์ค่ะ
Almost at Sky Bar. Come on, Chip. What do you think? Yeah. I'm gonna fill up with ice water now. They've got ice in it, you see? What you heard about? He said, no, I'm gonna get sick, Don't worry. I told you. Where you going? Where you going? Hold it, mate. I'm not even sure. I'll get it quiet. No, I said to him earlier, target idiots. There you go.
Yeah, you got to fill both up. We'll come back. Go. Bangla.
What do you think? What do you think? Nice. I got a white face.
Yeah, a little bit. That's alright, that's good.
We're now walking to Bangla.
Oh, fucking slippery.
But Kieran's enjoying himself. I'm enjoying myself. Ship enjoying herself.
Songkran 2025.
Oh, got it.
That fucking guy fucking got me.
The guy, he hold me from like this.
It's fucking freezing that water. Fucking ice cold.
It's ice water, isn't it, that one?
That was really nice.
Yeah, proper. See, the ice water we got, it wasn't melted down. Oh, that's what we need to get. We need to get some ice water.
Yeah, we need some freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're alright because you can put ice in your fucking.
Yeah, but it need to be very small cubes.
Yeah.
You ready?
Are you ready?
Oh, shit. You ready? That was cold. Man, no? Oh.